Here is an image of a rich dad who analyzes everything, and you can actually make an image like this. So you can see of a rich dad. So today we'll be talking about how you can make animated videos just like this. Example of the books like Atomic Habits, that's an easy and proven way to build good habits and break the bad ones. Now we can go up here and we can start a new blank, that is we can start a new video, add pictures, and we can add text. The first thing is, let's assume that I write, okay, so I write rich dad poor dad summary. I bet you that you have seen videos just like this. For example, I've searched about rich dad poor dad summary, and you can see that there are options which has got like this videos and this videos and this videos. So we all see this kind of videos again and again, but do you know that how you can actually make videos just like this? I'm going to show you a free way that you can use exactly, and after that you will be able to make videos just like this. But when I've searched rich dad poor dad summary, you can see that this video itself, this animated video itself, has got 20 million views, and you can also have the same thing if you want. So how you can do it, it's pretty simple. Here is an example channel. I'm going to show you 3 example channels that will be helping you up in understanding. So here is a channel that is known as Productivity Game. This has got 478,000 subscribers, and here is the Social Blade ranking. And you can all see that if I go down up here, you will be getting all the details that this channel has got. They're about, it's making almost like $2,000 on the highest side every single month. And not just that, the main important thing is these videos are getting almost 14 to 15,000 views, more than that sometimes. For example, this has got almost 25,000 views, 1,000 every single day. These channels are getting views, and they upload simple videos just like this. For example, the 48 laws of power, lasting behavior change, the smarter goals, master the art of letting go, 4 discipline tactics, 1 mindset, 2 rules. The second channel that I'm going to show you, this is known as by Seekem. So this channel has got 3.39 million subscribers. It has got like really great figures, by the way. So you can see that this channel is making on the higher side up to $10,000 to $20,000 every single month, irrespective of the channel or the country it is from. So basically this is from country that's from India, and this channel is getting low CPM because of the country that it has targeted. The important thing is it is impacting a lot of people, and that's the great part that I loved the most. Now this channel is getting like 147k, that's almost like 150 to 2000k views every single day. So this is just great, and you can also do the same. So how you can do is that you can see this person is making channel videos like this, and previously this person used to, if we go and sort by to the oldest videos, you'll be able to see that all these things are no face channel, that is you do not need to show your face even. So how can you do that? I'm going to show you exactly step by step, and you can see all these things, that is this person used to do this animated videos also. Now here is a channel that is known as 1% Better. This channel has got almost 457k subscribers. Channel is getting almost like good amount of views, that is almost 238k. Every single day this channel is getting almost roughly of 7,000, 11,000, that's almost like 10,000 views every single day. So this is going great, not but super great, but it's going well. So you can see they make videos like the 7 emotional intelligence tips, also about 12 more life rules and failure, the root of unnecessary suffering, beyond for Jordan Peterson, and atomic habits, and all sorts of things. And you can also do the same. So the first step you need to do is sample of the books like Atomic Habits, that's an easy and proven way to build good habits and break the bad ones. And you can see this is a book that you can actually make summary on. These are some famous books. And another example is The Psychology of Money, which is a timeless lessons on wealth, greed, and happiness. So this is by Morgan Housel, and if you read that book, I recommend this book especially if you want to know about how money works and how wealth works and all that. So if you want to make videos upon that, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. come on to Amazon.com and you can see today's deal and all that thing. But now what we're going to do is that we're going to click up here and we can see all departments: art and craft, automotive, baby, beauty, personal care, books, boys fashion, computer deals and whatnot. So we can actually go up there and we can choose this books option that we can see right now. So we are going to be clicking up here and then we'll be choosing, and we're going to simply clicking up this search button, and then we are going to be getting all sort of things. Now we have got this books at Amazon and we can see all the type of varieties type of books that we can all see. Some like best books of the month, celebrity picks, best kids for books, and Amazon books review and all that. So here are some bestsellers, that is reminders of him, Atomic Habits, Will, Things We Never Got Over, It Ends With Us, and what. So we can see all of the books that we can all use. Now type of categories also, it is also having the personal transformation, motivational, happiness, journal writing, relationships and dreams, self-esteem, creativity, success, and sex. So now we can choose from all of that. For example, if we choose like the Atomic Habits, it's a bestseller and it's coming so again and again. So if we want to do it, we are simply going to be copying it out, and then let's do this thing. I'm going to copy this thing and then I'm going to our website, and it's the Ali Abdal. Here is 4 minutes books, here is James Cleo, and here's the media. For example, let's take this one, let's take this 4 minutes. Okay, it's interesting by the way. So if we take 4-minute books for example, then what we're going to get is ready. Okay, so right now we are in 4-minute books and we can see the Atomic Habits summary, and this is one simple skeleton that you get a simple. You can outline how to write a summary, and then you can write a whole summary just like this. Not just that, you all see that this is the, for example, here is the 3 most keys. This cue, this craving, response and reward that you actually do for habits. Now you can make it obvious, you can make it attractive, it's easy, it's satisfying and all that. So how you can do it, it's completely cool. Okay, so BNG and all is using all of that. Not that videos people will remember. You can actually do it in simple steps, like you can explain, you can engage last what you need to get email as possible. You can also log in with Facebook, Google, Office 5. You have an account, so you can create one now. So we are going to be creating one now. What you need to do is pretty simple. So we get a 14-day free trial. I'm going to show you some way that you can actually get for free forever. And now you can actually create an account, free email address, password, and change it. So we are going to be using it as teacher, for example, or you can change it, for example, you go to other and so now we need to give our full name. So let's give our full name as something, and I need to give the email address and password. So I need to give the password, and for example, we need to just do it again and my account. And I can actually create my account really simply. Now we are here and we can see that TikTok and all that. And whenever we do all of that, now we can go up here and we can start a new blank, that is we can start a new video. We can add pictures and we can add text. The first thing is, let's assume that I write, okay, so I write Rich Dad Poor Dad summary. So it's I think becoming an ASMR video or something. So I just wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad summary. It's one of my favorite books. We can change the font size if we want to, and we can do it accordingly. So we can change the font size. So let's write it as 10, and then we are going to be getting something like this, and I have kept it like this. Now we need to do another, we can add some images like of dad, let's assume of a dad. And now what you're going to do is we can actually use all of this, and it might take some time for you, but what I'm going to tell you is pretty simple. Just hold on, because it is worth it. Now here you can see a good images that are being shown right here, and now you can see this one. This image looks pretty good, and then you can actually do it real easily. Here is an image of a rich dad who analyzes everything, and you can actually make an image like this. So you can see of a rich dad, this one. So I'm going to keep it like this. So I'm going to be keeping it like this, and then we can see the Rich Dad Poor Dad, and here it is. And I'm going to add something. We can do many things with it. For example, I need to change this because it's not looking really great, so I'm going to change the whole thing, and then I am going to be changing this up here. So it looks pretty good. You can do it on your own according way, so you can actually do the whole thing like this. So here is some show overview. Here is the overview, here is the zoom in option, here is the zoom out, here it is. Now you want to, and then you can also use, for example, if I play up here, then you can see Rich Dad Poor Dad. And then here it writes this person is there, the rich dad is there, and next this poor dad is here. So if I need to do a voiceover, for example, as Well Said Labs, and this is a great website so that you get beautiful voices and you can use it for text to speech. And I am not getting paid for it. I'm really unhappy for it, but I just love the product genuinely, and that's why I am going to be telling about it. So if you want to know what I can make money from, is this website. So before that, I'm telling you from the website that I can make money on and I can recommend, but that's not great. But this is better, I would say. This website is known as Well Said. Wellsaidlabs.com is the website name, and this is Well Said. And now you can convert text to speech voices in real time. And with the help of that, you can all see all the options. Like, I'm going to show you this AVA. It's my favorite. Here it is.
Helping the client through their accident claim can be a difficult process. Not only is the client still in shock from their experience, they may also be awaiting their funds or payout.
Did you listen to it? Did you listen to it? It sounds exactly like a person, and I just completely love this product. That's the reason I am recommended to you, so that you can also get help from that and you can actually use the whole thing again and again. And whenever you try to use a text to speech, it will be getting monetized. I hope so. It is going to be helping you out because many of the channels are getting monetized with the help of this, and it completely completely sounds like a human. So this, whenever it sounds like a human, it is perfect. So this is another website that's known as Spicciolo. I am going to be getting paid for it because this is an affiliate link that I have signed up, and you can also use it because it also uses artificial intelligence, and I think right now they also use the neural network too. So it uses 100% human sounding voices. So 80 to 90% people like it. Most of the people don't like it because some of the voices are not that great. Because for example, if I go up here, you can see this is the example shown by Spicciolo.
Since the dawns of humanity,
Yeah.
people would gather around the fire and listen to stories. That's why a good video is not efficient without a good voiceover that tells the actual story. The problem is that not all of us have a nice friendly voice like Morgan Freeman, or we just don't feel comfortable recording ourselves.
So you listen to it, right? So you simply listen to it, and if I do it with Tristan.
Are you ready to get revved up? Port of Seattle has all the hottest SUVs.
Now, you see the difference, right? You see the difference. I love the product. Even though I might get an affiliate commission from it, I don't necessarily require, because this software is perfect. And if they had an affiliate commissions or affiliate network, I would simply, does they have anything? I don't know. I don't think so. They have got something like that. But I can actually use it because how does AI technology work? So these are some things you can all read about. Now let's get back to this, but you can actually use it, and then you can put in the sound and whatnot, and then you can actually make the whole thing work. Now comes the big question, that is how you can make money online with the help of this. I am going to be showing you exactly how you can do it. The very first one is YouTube Partner Program. That's YouTube Partner Program that you can actually get money whenever you make a video. You put a video on YouTube, plays an ad before, after, or middle of it. So you get a slight amount of commission. That's a good amount of commission, and people are really happy with the commissions that they pay. The people are making millions of dollars with that. And not just that, you can use it if you want to do it in a correct way. Now you do not need to show your face even, so it's a no face way that you can actually make money from YouTube. And now I'm going to be showing you this, the second way, that's my favorite. That's affiliate marketing program by Amazon itself. So they say, for example, if you get a person click to your affiliate link and you make a link that is a special link of yours, and then they click onto this. For example, you are selling Atomic Habits. What they are going to be doing is that on Atomic Habits, whenever the person clicks, whenever the cookie period is there, what is a cookie? Cookie is a special attachment that is your name or the link name that you have actually made, and with that it sticks with every Amazon period with the Amazon product or for a certain period of time. And whenever this happens, you are going to be making money for each and every product that they buy. For example, if they buy a book, you make profit. If they buy a dishwasher, you make profit. If they buy a chocolate, you make profit. And that is the way. Now, with that, another way how to make money is very simple. That is by using this Audible trick. That is, with Audible trial, you can actually send person to Audible, and whenever they click on it, you can also make money from it. And now, for example, the Amazon has a program of Audible also that is being owned by Amazon itself. So what happens on it, you plug in your earphones or Bluetooth earphones, whatever it might be, you plug it in, and for example, I love it. What I do is very simple. My trick is very simple. So whenever I like a book, if I take an audiobook, I plug in my earphones, and after that I take the book, and it's just like a way a person is guiding you through. I myself don't like reading book a lot, but sometimes when I do, I read a book. If I don't feel like reading a book, I do this trick also. So you can also do, because many people are there just like me, just like you, so we actually can make this thing happen. What we are going to be doing is very simple. You can see you are eligible to claim this 30-day trial. So Audible itself has a program that will be helping you up. That is, whenever anybody signs up for Audible, they don't buy anything. If they signs up, then you are going to be making a certain amount of money, decent amount of money. That will be helping, that will be an extra bonus for you, that will be helping you up also. Now you can see, you can send people to Audible. Simply they sign up, you make money. That's clearly simple. And this is another way. That is very simple. It's to make summaries and then use it as newsletters. That is, you can actually make newsletters on which you will having a mailing list, and you can use the email marketing trick from which you will be actually be making money. And you are going to be sending out the summaries, which is completely a good way to make some extra cash. For example, they sign up for your monthly letters or monthly newsletters, and they get all of it. For example, if 1,000 people signs up, then you make $10 for each. It's $10,000 per month. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that something? That is, you simply, if you love reading books, for example, you love reading books, and you are simply reading books, and that is what you do for a living. So you love the thing that you are doing, and then you are making points in your own way that nobody in the whole world can make it. So what is happening? You are making your exclusive notes, your own audience. Do you remember you were in school and you used to get class notes from and the best of the person is to make class notes, and people used to want from them. So you can become the best on this field because you love reading, and then you can share the summaries with people, and you are actually capitalizing the whole process. And that